Now that we've worked with the circumcenter, we are going to try to construct a incenter of a triangle, and a incenter is created from the angle bisectors of this triangle. So, just like with a circumcenter, all you need to know is how to draw a perpendicular bisector 3 times. With an incenter, you just need to know how to draw an angle bisector 3 times. So, let's start from this point over here. And I am going to create my first 2 points with my first arc. Once again, keep everything nice and light, because you're probably going to need to erase this later on. And then I'll draw an arc from each of my first points. And now that I have that intersection, I have my first angle bisector. And once again, just like it's important with perpendicular bisectors to label the special qualities, you need to do that for angle bisector also. In which case, I'm going to say these 2 angles are congruent. And that is good enough. And if your guess for what I'm about to do next is to do this 2 more times with this vertex and this vertex, you would be correct. If you guessed anything else, then you'd be wrong. So we have our first arc, once again, we have our first points. We draw the next part. Draw a base on the arcs. And once again, draw a ray through the point of intersection. And for all intents and purposes, guys, we've actually already found our point of concurrency, because we know it's going to hit the angle bisector of the third side, of the third vertex. But just for good measure, let's do it anyways. So I'm going to draw the angle bisector of this angle now. Start with your first points, and then draw an arc from each point. And now I know for sure that my angle bisector goes right between those 2 arcs. And this is awesome because after I label all my congruent angles, it's super clear to see that the point intersection over here from my 3 angle bisectors is my incenter.